Lesson 41, word drills. Go ahead and widen the screen. Our first task is to change the design of the table. So Table Tools Design tab. In the table styles, the down arrow for more choices. When you hover over, you'll get a little screen tip, and this happens to be Grid Table 2, Accent 1. Insert a row at the end of the table, so hover over till you have your Insert Control button and click. You get a new row. You're going to key the following information in column A, tab twice, and then the dollar amount in column C. Check your work, continue. Now in this one we're going to work with Table Tools Design, and over on the far left there are table style options, and right now we want the word total is in bold, but we also want the actual total in bold. So if you click total row, it'll put it all in bold for us. In the next one, click in the table. In Table Tools Design, they want you to uncheck first column. Above the table, key the information you see here. Check your work, and there you have it. We're going to turn on our Show Hide, which is in the paragraph group, to show your paragraph symbols. Click on the last line, and it's too close to the table, so we want to add a little bit of space between the text and the table. So choose line and paragraph spacing and add space before paragraph. In column A, we're going to change the width of it. Table Tools Layout, Cell Styles, this is the width, so just key in there and type 1.25, enter, and then go into column B, Cell Styles, and the width for this one is 1.5, and then click into column C, Cell Size, and this one the width is just 1.0. Center the column headings. I'm going to use my arrow to select the whole row and then horizontal center. Above the table, type the following text. Check your work and continue. And you are finished. Thank you.